Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll talk about the software update. Is it worth it to update in this Realme X1 Max after you receive the device or not? So right now in the Flipkart, if you look for the Realme X1 Max, you can get really discounted price for this phone. And few of the users, they already bought the device and they did receive the device as well. And they got the software update notification asking them to update to the A.18 version. So out of the box, if you buy in this sale, you will get the update version which is of A.15. As you can see friends, and immediately as soon as you got the phone, you'll get the latest update which is A.18 update. So final conclusion is that what I'm going to say is don't update to the latest version. There are two things why you should not update. As you can see, these are the comments which I'm getting on this one. So should we update or not? So please don't update at all, because the battery life is not good. And next is the Pepe Jeans mobile game is currently capped at only 70 FPS in the Realme X1 Max after the recent update. Yes, so this is a problem which is happening for a lot of other users actually who are updated to the latest. I think not everyone, only few of them. Only few of them, their FPS was only maintaining around 70 FPS. Even though if you use 90 FPS in the Pepe Jeans mobile game, it's not working after the recent update only. So these two things, so definitely I will advise not to update you. And in case if you want to know more details as well on these topics, so don't worry, there's a separate videos which I have already uploaded on that one. So make sure to check these videos. So Realme X1 Max 970 FPS capped Pepe Jeans mobile game. And there's another thing about the software update, should you update or not, latest update review, battery draining problems, as you can see exactly. So make sure to watch those videos before you update to the latest version of the Realme X1 Max device. So once after you receive friends, definitely you will get this kind of update as well. And I don't think it's worth to update at all, because a lot of users are actually happy with the A.17, because A.17 we used to get a lot of really very good decent battery backup. So that's the one reason. So let me know in the comment section below friends, what do you think about this versions, and did you update or not? And how is the experience of buying the phone in this sale for a very discounted price? Are you happy with your device or not? That's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and this is a quick comparison review on this one, on the Realme X1 Max. So I'll definitely say don't update. If you're not a gamer, and if you want to have that kind of maybe risk of taking the battery draining, maybe if you want you can definitely update. That's up to you, but I'm giving my complete review after using the latest update. These are the issues which few of the users did face. See you in the next video friends, unless stay tuned for updates, and in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.